Welcome to this video on financial habits and wealth building. Your financial future starts now, and understanding key habits is essential for long-term success. Habit 1 is overspending, which happens when you spend beyond your means. For high school students, common triggers include peer influence and online shopping. Consequences include debt and preventing savings accumulation. Habit 2 is the lack of saving. Saving is the foundation of security. Even small, consistent amounts compound into significant wealth over time. Starting early allows your money decades to grow. Habit 3 is avoiding investment, often due to misconceptions about risk or required wealth. The reality is that investing early, even with small amounts in accessible accounts like Roth IRAs, leverages powerful compound growth. Habit 4 is impulsive financial decisions, which feel good momentarily but derail financial plans. A better approach is to use a 24-hour rule before non-essential purchases and ask if you truly need or can afford the item. Habit 5 is neglecting financial education. Financial literacy is a vital skill. Numerous free resources, including podcasts and online courses, are available. Investing in your financial knowledge pays dividends for decades. To build wealth, start with actionable alternatives. Budget and track your spending to identify areas for savings. Automate saving and investing to pay yourself first. Finally, commit to lifelong learning about personal finance. Now, create your personal financial action plan. Reflect on the habits and choose one specific, measurable change to address first. Your commitment matters. Small, consistent actions compound into financial freedom. Start today.